it her.
Mr. Chair, the question is, you should have told us na may kaibigan ka under investigation. My staff even asked me, Mr. Chair, if you would remember and you lied. Sinabi namin, baka ikaw sabit ka dito sa flood control. Wala po kami, hindi po kami sabit dyan. Ang mga project ko, 30 million. Do you remember that? You were asked, Ms. Jose.
Yes, Your Honor, because I am of honest belief na wala po talaga kami.
You were not, bakit nababanggit ang pangalan mo dito ngayon? Eh meron ka palang kinalaman dyan sa mga proyekto sa Bulacan na yan. Why didn't you tell us straight up? Had you told us na meron kang sabit sa mga project sa Bulacan, we wouldn't have let you step in the Senate, Ms. Jose.
Your Honor, prior to the text message that was shared by Bryce, nagulat po talaga ako dahil wala po kaming pinasukang project. We never joined any bidding. We never
Mr.
submitted
Chair,
any documents.
hindi nga po Mr. Chair, sinasabi para lumalabas na isa ka sa conduit, isa ka sa mga sabit na nagdala ng pera, something to that effect. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na kasama ka sa proyekto, pero sabit ka sa problema sa flood control. You should have told us. You should have informed my staff na pumunta ka rito na dadaan po muna ako. How hard is that to say? Pakisabi kay Senator, dadaanan ko muna yung kaibigan ko sa Broome na may sakit na cancer. Why didn't you do that, Ms. Jose, Mr. Chair?
Your Honor, I don't think Senator Erwin is privy to the conversation with the staff
Yes,
to whom I have mentioned before.
Senator
this-
Erwin, please no. I think si Bryce was the one who made that assertion,
Yes, Your Honor.
implying that WJ/Beng Ramos ay magdadala ng obligation.